concept to mass production, we are your end-to-end partner in wireless solutions and product engineering. Our hardware expertise covers PCB design, antenna integration, electronics, RF, audio, camera, and mechanics. We deliver turnkey R&D with global supply chain alignment and rapid prototyping. In-house prototyping with fast-turn PCBs, 3D printing, and CNC machining accelerates your time to market. Our state-of-the-art test labs ensure EMI, EMC compliance, signal integrity, and durability. We serve diverse industries: semiconductor and industrial automation, automotive with ADAS and V2X, IoT smart devices, and rugged SATCOM and defense systems. Our software teams build embedded platforms on Linux, Android, and RTOS with secure OTA, Edge AI, and Gen AI capabilities. From device drivers to cloud-integrated applications, we ensure seamless user experiences. For antenna and RF, we design multi-band systems from 5G to GNSS. Our Satamo SG64L chamber and advanced simulations guarantee real-world performance and global compliance. Audio excellence, noise cancellation, echo reduction, immersive sound. We model acoustics, prototype speaker enclosures, and test an Alexa-certified anechoic chambers, perfect for smart speakers, automotive, and spoke-out-enabled devices. Mechanical design that balances ergonomics, durability, and manufacturability. We simulate stress, thermal, and vibration, then validate with life cycle testing for consumer gadgets, industrial equipment, and harsh environment SATCOM. Camera systems, image quality tuning, calibration, and custom testers. From multi-camera ADAS to machine vision and wearables, we ensure precise color, dynamic range, and distortion-free imaging. Electronics design, high-efficiency circuits, FPGA, and RTOS integration. We optimize for power, signal integrity, and EMC from compact wearables to industrial control systems. High-speed PCB design with controlled impedance, multi-layer stacks, and simulation of signal and power integrity. Our quick-turn prototyping and testing ensure robust performance for automotive, IoT, and 5G. Production testers, modular automated systems for RF, acoustics, camera, and functional validation, scalable from R&D to high-volume lines with remote monitoring and analytics ensuring quality and traceability. From first concept to high-volume manufacturing, we integrate hardware, software, mechanics, and testing, backed by proven NPI and mass production support. Partner with us for your next innovation. Together, we build the connected future.